Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Power Query video series. This is video number 16 where we're going to talk about full outer join. In the last two videos we discussed about left outer and right outer join during the merging. In this video, let's go ahead and check out what is full outer join. Alright, so in this video we are going to explore the third type of join, full outer join. So which is the combination of your left outer and the right outer. So let's go ahead and load the data set and let's check out what is full outer. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the Power Query editor. So data tab, get data, launch Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, in the home tab, let's go to the new source file, Excel workbook, and we are going to go to take the full outer data. We're going to click import and we're going to take the same data set which we have used it for the right outer, so that we can relate to what we have discussed earlier. So we're going to activate these two queries and we're going to click OK. Because it's a simple table, there's no need for any transformations here. So we're going to accept the promote headers and the change type steps here without any question. So let's go directly and do the merging right away. So we're going to go to the material cost. If you're watching this video without following our video series sequentially, now let me tell you, this video is all about discussing different types of joins. Now the situation what we are trying to do here is the material cost query holds the cost for each material, and the production requirement is where the guys have planned how many units they are going to produce for the particular material. So the situation here is what we want to know. We want to know what is the number of quantities which they have planned for manufacturing for each of these materials. In case if they have not planned the production for any of these material IDs, we still want to see them. Okay, at the same time, there are certain material IDs for which they have planned the production, but we do not have the cost details for those materials in the material cost table. So I want to see the material IDs which are present in both the tables and both the matching as well as the unmatching all together in one table. Okay, so which is the combination of left outer and the right outer in one single table. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go to the material cost and we're going to go to the home tab under the combine group merge queries. So in the merge, the first table is material cost and the second table is production requirement. The common column is the material ID, but the type of join we would love to have is full outer. Now look at the word all rows from both. Okay, so matched, unmatched, everything from both the sides it's gonna come in. So we're gonna see, we can also see here, we could see 54 of 90, 91 of 100. So from both the sides it's gonna flow right now, and we're gonna click OK, and we're gonna expand this, and we do not want, we need the material ID, the required quantity, the time model. Let's keep this original column prefix so that we know that from which table or which query these columns have been picked up. So let's click OK, and right now we could see that the incompletion is shown even here itself. It says 7% is empty, meaning there are 7% of the material IDs which are not there in the material cost, but they have done the planning. Well, who are they? If you scroll down, you can see here there is no material cost details for the material ID 97, but they have already planned 146 units to be produced for it. But is there any material ID for which we have the cost but they have not planned the production? How do I find it? So I have to scroll down here to see the null in the right side. If you see here, we got the null here, so that means I do have the material ID in the material cost, but they have not planned the production for those materials, which are material 4, 5, 12, 16. All these are, we do have the cost, but we have not planned the production for those. So I'm seeing both matched and unmatched records from both the tables in one single table. So if you want something like that, you need to go for the full outer join. But the challenge here is you need to do a perfect transformation to know which is present in which table, which was not present in which table. Have a kind of a logic how you're going to present these kind of tables in place. Yeah. All right, so with which we have come to the end of this video to tell you about what is full outer join. In the next coming up videos, we shall discuss the rest of the three types of joins. All right, until then, take care of yourself. Signing off, Hariharan.